This is the new XpertJet 1642WR from Muto. A 64-inch wide, new generation die sublimation printer. It offers high productivity with an incredible printing speed. The 1642WR prints with the highest quality thanks to the best-in-class dot placement accuracy. Includes new features that improve user convenience. In this video, we will talk about some of them. Let's start with high productivity with high quality. With two new extra wide piezo printheads, the XpertJet 1642WR has faster printing speeds than the previous model. The dot placement is very precise even at high-speed printing. This new XpertJet 1642WR achieves both high productivity and high-quality printing. The XpertJet 1642WR is the perfect 4-color 64-inch die sublimation printer. If you have any questions, please contact us. We will be glad to help you.
For additional information, please visit us at www.inkjetbiz.com. Send us an email to orders@inkjetbiz.com. Or call us to 1-408-394-7595. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more InkJetBiz videos.